everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's edition, I'll be talking about some dangerous COVID-19 home remedies to avoid. But before I continue, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to go below this video and click on the subscribe button. You can also click on the notification bell to get notifications when I drop my video. So because of this COVID-19 pandemic, a lot of fear, a lot of anxiety is going around and has made a lot of people to engage in a lot of things at home. A lot of things such as taking and doing some combination of some things that they feel or they might have heard from somewhere that it can help them to treat or prevent COVID-19. So on today's edition, I'll be talking about some of these things and be correcting us on the right things to do as regards COVID-19, as regards staying safe during this COVID-19 pandemic. One of the dangerous COVID-19 home remedies to avoid is mega doses of vitamin D. To begin with, taking of vitamin D supplements specifically is of benefit to patients who have vitamin D deficiencies. Patients who do not have vitamin D deficiencies do not necessarily have to take vitamin D because they can get it from the food that we eat. And taking mega doses of vitamin D can pose some harm to the body because the vitamin D is not water soluble, it is fat soluble. So excess of it cannot be excreted in the urine, rather it will be stored in the fatty tissues of the body, and this might lead to toxicity. Although this is rare, but it's also possible when mega doses of vitamin D is taken. Vitamin D is also important for regulating the blood calcium level, but taking too much of it can lead to increase in the blood calcium level, and this might lead to kidney stones, constipations, or other health problems. So do not take mega doses of vitamin D all because you want to prevent or protect yourself from coronavirus. Gargling with salt water or vinegar water. Some claims say that before coronavirus gets to the lungs, it stays in the throat for 4 days, and then gargling with salt water or vinegar water can eliminate the virus within this first 4 days. First off, this is false. Second of all, there is no evidence to support the claim that the coronavirus stays in the throat for 4 days. And the World Health Organization says that there is no cure or medicine yet to prevent or treat this coronavirus, and that is why the preventive measures are being emphasized for you to wash your hands, to use your hand sanitizers, and specifically to stay at home so that you don't spread or contract this virus. So the same applies for lemon and baking soda, that is mixture of lemon and baking soda. There is no evidence to support that mixing lemon and baking soda would help to prevent you or treat you from having coronavirus. From the latest research, no supplements or diets would cure or prevent COVID-19, and there is no research to support the use of any supplements or products specifically to cure this COVID-19. However, it's important that we keep our immune system at its best to prevent us from contracting any kind of disease or infection that might make us to go to the hospital and thus exposing us to contacting or contracting this virus or even spreading it to others. So when getting supplement, be open to your pharmacist. So let them know whether you're taking any medications that might interact with the supplements you want to get, and follow the advice given to you on the use of any supplement you get strictly. So don't overdose, don't overuse, don't mix anything that you do not have any idea of what it should do or it will do. Try to verify information before you go ahead and do this thing. We might be asking ourselves, or we might be curious to know, what then do they give this COVID-19 patient that are being isolated and eventually some of them come out negative? The healthcare professionals, as the name implies, professionals, that is, they are experts in knowledge and in experience, and depending on the symptoms that each patient presents, they can be able to give the best medicines, the best advice, and the best health care to each of these patients. So I would like to add that some of these things I've discussed earlier, that is the use of lemon and baking soda, gargling with vinegar or salt water, these things have their health benefits, no doubt, but using them for COVID-19, no research supports that these things can prevent or cure COVID-19. Remember to follow the preventive measures to stay safe during this COVID-19 period. Do not fear and do not allow anxiety to make you take the wrong steps that might even pose more health risk to you. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.